Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today we are going to talk about ways you can make your Wix site responsive, and that is by allowing your Elements design to match any screen. It's actually very easy. Click on the element you want to work on, and the inspector panel on the left will open. If not, you can click Open Inspector right over here. So click on the responsive behavior dropdown, and here you'll see different options. So you have scale proportionately, and you'll also see a preview over here of what it's going to look like once you apply it to your element. We have relative to width, we have fixed, and we have stretch. So go ahead and feel free to select an option that you prefer for your selected element. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.